Hello, welcome to yet another thrilling and informative episode of Chat with Tashneet. And today I have a wonderful guest with me, and it is Sukhman Kaur Gill. How are you doing, bro?
Hi, thank you for inviting me, and I'm doing good. Uh,
My
what
pleasure.
about you?
Good, good, good. Yeah, we have been planning this for so long, and now it's happening
Yes,
finally.
yes, finally.
Yeah. Okay, so first of all, let me introduce you to my audience, Sukhman. Okay, Sukhman is definitely a talented person. She's an athlete, an extremely confident girl uh, with great opinions. I guess. Yeah, sure. And like whatever she likes, she likes. Whatever she hates, she hates. Okay, so all in all, she's a wonderful person by heart. And okay, do you want to add something? Feel free to do that.
No, I'm thank you and great. I'm
कैसी
grateful
लगी
that
intro?
you had already put up some warm words to my intro, and thank you for that.
My pleasure, my pleasure.
Yeah.
Okay, so like I mentioned that you're an athlete, so you love playing sports. Okay,
Yes.
so just brag about yourself, like throw some light on how you started, which one's your favorite sport, why you started playing this, and all of that stuff.
Okay, I started this at my school level only. So we used to have a sports day like every school have, right? So
Yeah.
from there we used to participate in races and in different sports activities. So basically, I more love to participate in races, right? So we started playing and we used to run and compete between our class, first in between our class, then between all over the school. And I used to you can say I used to win in my class, then I used to lose during when we used to you can say compete,
Interviews.
yeah, inter school, right? So
Yeah.
I used to think why, what is happening to me, why it happens. Then I saw one movie, and they told that you need to use your emotions while you are running, or you
Oh,
need to be either very much happy or either very much sad or your extreme anger. Okay, so I used that emotion in my running, and it literally affected, and I won that match, and I got I did not got gold medal at the first time, but a bronze medal, and it was really a big achievement for me from trying from so long. Yeah.
that's great. That's great. It's just that शिद्दत से चाहो तो वो मिल ही
पूरी
जाएगी.
कायनात मिल जाती है लगा दो, हाँ जी.
Right,
So yeah,
right.
that happened to me. But initially, then I started, then I used to get gold medals. I touch wood, I never got silver in any. I just got gold only. So I only have one bronze. Rest are
Okay,
gold.
okay. So like you got inspired from some event, from some particular movie, and
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
then your life changed. Wow, that's
Yes,
good.
you can say.
Yeah.
I
And
even have him. Hanji. Yeah, yeah.
I wanted to ask, you are 100-meter athlete, 200, or only sprints,
Yeah,
relay?
yeah. I can run 100 meter also, but my, you can say, specialty is in hurdles and relays. I run that one.
Okay, hurdles and relays.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Why you
I
like all
have.
those?
I don't know. The interest is just naturally developed
Don't you
on its own.
don't you sometimes feel that in relay kind of things you're dependent on your team to win?
Yeah, yeah. I can share one incident to you that is too funny. So we were four people, and our one mate got some delay due to some reason he could not make to the school. So
Okay.
we were so you can say in you can say nervous, not, we were so in worried, so that how we are going to do it. And so we somehow managed to add some athlete, and she said I can do it for you. And some and my rest of team got another athlete, so we have two athletes now. Now both of them, they were damn sure that they can win. They were having competition in each other, but in each other.
Huh.
So we somehow we managed to just convince one, can you please let the other one run? So she
Okay.
said okay. The athlete which agreed that I'll run for you did not told us that I am weak at the curves of the
Oh,
track, and
okay.
we got to know when we were running. So we started, so I was placed at the first position, so I said I can accelerate at the first so we can
Yeah.
win. Okay.
Yeah.
And the faster runner, and the second person who runs fast, we kept him at last so that he can run for us. So
Yeah.
it was both boys and girls mixed up, so okay, it was both.
Okay.
So
Okay.
the girl we kept at the second position, no, at the third position, yes.
Um,
So uh, I started running, and
uh,
I was first. Okay, then I
okay.
passed that the stick
Six.
to the
Six.
other one. Yeah,
Okay.
she was also first. Okay, when we
Okay.
passed that to the third one, she
I'm
fell.
already, I'm already like, fantasizing the scene ki she did run.
She fell on the floor. She did not even bother to stand up and start
Oh
running
shit.
again. Can
And
you imagine?
because
Can
of
you imagine?
her,
Hanji,
oh,
hanji.
that is intense. Because of her, you lose.
Yes, you can imagine from there we how somehow try to get up, were trying to get make her up.
Huh, get her up.
The time it took, the time it took to wake her up, the other members completed their race and we were the last one.
That's intense. That's intense. And
And
that's sad.
can you
That's sad.
imagine what we are going?
Okay, you lost. What do you
We
want to
lost.
do now? You lost.
From
That
the first coming first to the last, imagine what we were going through.
and everybody whosoever was cheering for you was like ये टीम तो हार गई भैया गलत बंदे के लिए cheer कर रहे थे हम.
भैया इट इज सो, मतलब कैसे, तो मतलब एक ड्रास्टिक चेंज ही आ गया। वो हमें लड़की मुड़ के मिली ही नहीं, हमने ढूंढा उसे कहाँ गई, वो आई नहीं हमारे सामने। हमने कहा इससे अच्छा तो हम दूसरी को ही रन करा लेते। इट वाज सो
नहीं तो
सो
डर गए इसलिए तुम्हारे सामने नहीं आई कि तुम लोग पकड़ लोगे उसे.
फिर उसको पता था कि हम उसको छोड़ेंगे नहीं। यू कैन
Nice.
इमेजिन ना, द पर्सन
Yeah.
को भी, मतलब उसको भी एहसास हो गया था कि मैंने कर दिया कुछ, अब काम खराब है। She
Yeah.
also ran off, and from the till the
Your
date,
Hindi accent, your Hindi accent is funny, dude.
yeah, I
Come
will speak in English only.
नहीं, no worries. Okay. So that was it
Yeah.
for your funny incident. So do you not really feel like teamwork sometimes sucks and we
Yeah,
guys, yeah,
that is
it,
a great, really big example I got in my life. So please never trust. No, I don't say that never trust your team, but you need to be
last
prepared for
moment,
your burst.
last moment you cannot trust your team. Last moment decisions, whichever we make, we should never trust them.
Yeah, you should always have a backup plan. So in the race you cannot have, but I think so in life sometimes you can have your backup plan. You should always have it.
Yeah, nice, nice. And have you ever joined any of the coaching or no?
No, no, no. I have not joined it. Only, yeah, only my dad used to prepare me for, or at my home, I used to run. Even now, I practice running. So in the college, we will be also having sports days. I think so. I
Yeah, yeah.
will
That is
participate
why
and
you're
hope.
always, that is why you're always excited कि भाई अब स्पोर्ट्स डे कब आएगा स्पोर्ट्स डे कब आएगा.
Yeah, it is the reason, because you can say that it is my hobby, a very मतलब जान, मतलब दे जान वाली होती है ना, तो it like that thing.
Okay. You never feel bored while running. You're
No,
always
no, no.
I understand.
Yes, yes, yes.
I remember पता है एक बार क्या हुआ था. I was in plus one, हाँ +1. ठीक है. मैं हमेशा 400 मीटर में लेती थी. 100 मीटर में कंपटीशन ना बहुत हाई होता था, तो I used to like कि 400 में तो मैं जीत ही जाऊंगी. हाँ वैसे कंपटीशन वहाँ पे भी होता था, पर यस कंसिडर कर सकते तुम. तो वहाँ पे
Yeah,
मैं
yeah.
आई वाज रनिंग, ठीक है, फर्स्ट ट्रैक पे मैंने स्पीड उठा ली कि ना, पहले हमने सोचा था कि हम लोग फर्स्ट पे नहीं स्पीड उठाएंगे, कि
Yeah.
फर्स्ट विल टेक जस्ट लाइक अ नॉर्मल रन, सेकंड पे विल रन लाइक नथिंग एल्स। तो सेकंड पे क्या हुआ, जब मैंने देखा कि यार पहले भी लोग भाग गए हैं, मैं भागी, ठीक है, फर्स्ट राउंड में मैं देख रही हूँ हमारे एक साइड ऑफ ग्राउंड पे नॉन पार्टिसिपेंट्स थे, एक साइड ऑफ ग्राउंड पे पार्टिसिपेंट्स थे, टीचर्स दोनों के साथ थी। भाई यू कैन नॉट इवन इमेजिन, दैट वाज टू ओवरवेलमिंग। पार्टिसिपेंट्स की साइड से भी चीयरिंग हो रही थी, वहां पे छोटे बच्चे भी थे, बड़े बच्चे भी थे, तशनी 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 तशनी। यहाँ पे मैं आ रही हूँ participants वाली side, तशनी
It
तशनी।
motivates you so much.
Even the teachers, yeah, exactly. It motivates to you in another extent, bro. It was too overwhelming. उस point के बाद मेरे को लगा मेरा जीतना ना deserving था।
Yeah, it is. My pictures used to be published in the newspaper also. I even have the cuttings right now, and it is so good to see them and remembering. Sometimes you're in that much awkward position, running out. It is so funny to see your picture. I'll show you when we meet. I'll show you.
Yeah, cool. It is just that कि ये छोटी छोटी स्पोर्ट्स डे की मेमोरीज लास्ट फॉर एवर, और ये कुछ ना कुछ सिखा के जाती हैं कि इफ समबडी इज स्टेयरिंग यू, यू शुड आल्सो गिव योर 110% टू विन इट। ओके,
Yeah. Yes,
that was
right.
that was too
Absolutely.
good. What do you love about your relay or hurdles sport
So,
particularly?
yeah, it is very good. You can say it is energy cheering for me, right? So I love everything about it. I cannot describe. It is just a feeling. It cannot be expressed in words, right? So
Nice.
yeah, it's like
Who's your
that only.
favorite athlete? Speak.
So even I got hurt on my nose when I was running. I remember that incident also. So my friend, I will not name her, but I'll tell you afterwards, Hana. She
Okay.
hit me. That is the reason even I got the got the bronze medal. She hit me on my nose. I just got blind.
भाई
how I come.
सीधा मुक्का मार दिया।
No, she was running and अचानक से इसकी जो वहाँ होती नहीं हमारी जो कैन से आर्म की एंड पॉइंट है ना,
ओके
है ना, वो अचानक हिट हुई एंड आई वाज सो ब्लाइंड एंड वी वर, मतलब कि वो आई वाज ऑन द सेकंड फर्स्ट, देन आई गॉट टू सेकंड, आई डोंट नो हाउ शी hit me on the second position. I went to third. I just closed my eyes and I ran to the just to complete that race.
insane level of motivation मिली है तेरे को उस मूवी से, मेरे को लगता है।
You can say.
मेरे को सच इससे मेरे को एक इंसिडेंट याद आया, ठीक है, 9th में क्या हुआ यार, वो कहते होते हैं ना कि फर्स्ट राउंड में तुमने ट्रैक नहीं चेंज करना, सेकंड राउंड में ट्रैक चेंज करना होता है, ऐसा हमारे यहाँ पे रूल होता था कि पहला राउंड तुमने अपने ट्रैक में लेना है, फिर उसके बाद सेकंड राउंड में यू कैन इवन शिफ्ट वेयरएवर यू वांट टू गो। ओके, तो क्या हुआ, बीच में ट्रैक चेंज नहीं करना होता। सेकंड राउंड में ये होता है, अगर आपने मतलब जहाँ पे बाउंड्री होती है ना, जहाँ से स्टार्ट होता है ना, तो वहां से अगर आपने ट्रैक चेंज कर लिया, फिर यू हैव टू रन ऑल अलोंग दैट ट्रैक ओनली, ठीक है। तो मेरे सामने एक लड़की थी, वो भी 400 मीटर रेस ही थी, तो मेरे सामने एक लड़की थी, भाई मैं जा रही हूँ जिस ट्रैक से, वो उसी ट्रैक में आ गई। पहले तो मैंने उसे बोला हट जा, मैं यार भागते भागते बंदा बोले भी क्या, इतना सांस फूल होता है, उसको नहीं समझ आया होगा, ठीक है। फिर वो थोड़ा सा तो मैं भागी, फिर भाई दोबारा से वो मेरे ट्रैक पे ही आ गई। मैंने फिर बाद में उसे बहुत बोला, यार तू क्या कर रही है, उसके कारण मैं थर्ड आई ब्रो।
I used to never change the track.
नहीं, मैं सेकंड राउंड में छुट्टी होती थी।
It just create issue between that you are going to come third and fourth, so I stick to my track only.
That is a better option, I guess. Okay. Next question is, who's your favorite athlete, by the way?
So my favorite athlete, you can say, is Milkha Singh. I am so inspired from him.
Nice.
But in the athlete, I want to just mention about my the sports game which I love to play. It's badminton. Basketball. I want to say.
Okay.
And Michael Jordan is my favorite.
Oh, nice. Very nice. Primarily considering sports field, Michael Jordan is your favorite. I know your track preference, by the way.
Hanji?
I know your track preference, by the way. Technical Guruji, OP.
Yeah. So I
Okay.
love every field. No specific you can say, but everybody I love.
Nice. That's good. You have to be multitasker, multi-specialist.
Yes, yes. Not to just stick on the one thing.
Exactly. Whenever you're stuck on one thing, you cannot focus on that particular thing as well. तुम्हारा दिमाग शैतान का घर होता है ना, जैसे खाली
Your
दिमाग.
growth stops. Suddenly, your growth stops if you stick on to one thing. Your growth stops. You cannot develop more.
Yeah, right. That is why it is always suggested be a good listener rather than a speaker. Right,
Yes.
right. Now I would like to ask you, what is your proudest moment rather than that bronze medal thing?
Yeah. Proudest moment. On what basis you want to know? I
Any
can
bit
say.
or anything. Like till now, until now.
So my proudest moment would be getting admission to my college.
Oh, nahi, nahi. Please do not force me to reveal the secrets.
No, I will not reveal all the things. Just getting
Mhm.
because I was having some other plans. So initially my plans got changed. I got this admission. My parents were proud. Oh, thank God she got this admission. I was so
I,
relaxed after
I
that.
am I'm particularly asking, what is your proudest moment?
My proudest moment, you can say,
As an athlete ही बता दो भाई मतलब as an athlete.
as an athlete, winning that gold and standing on that first position
Oh
signs,
God, that
right?
feeling.
That
हाँ.
feel cannot be changed, right? Just shaking hand with the chief of the guest coming to you, with the principal, the your coaches. It's very nice. Like PT teachers, not specific coach. I have just not been trained by somebody. Just that is my own all the efforts that I have put. That is in my proudest moment. The first time I got my gold medal. That is the
Oh,
one I can say.
nice, nice, very nice. Very good. मतलब I can also relate to the fact कि जब हम वो जैसे वो बना होता है first second third वाला हम जब first पे
हाँ जी
खड़े
हाँ
होते
जी.
हैं dude that feel when photographer is clicking your picture
Yeah,
okay
everybody is cheering up
मैं-
for
हाँ,
you. You are just
medal
receiving a
डाल
medal.
रहे हैं yeah right right nice and have you ever thought of playing nationals internationals या नहीं
Yes, I have thought, but it depends upon the my future also. If I got support from the, you can say, support from everybody, my parents, my college, then I will surely play for India.
support in the sense
No, no, not just saying that my parents support me for everything, but
हाँ.
if I want to go, then
ever
yeah,
get a
I sure.
chance?
Hanji?
You want to say ever get a chance I would love to
Yeah, I love to go.
okay मतलब तुम्हारा एनर्जेटिक होने का राज यही है कि तुम एथलीट हो
Yes, you can say. My one thing I want to add is meditation and spirituality. Believe in spirituality is my main core. You can say I am energetic.
you are spiritual you are I know
Yeah, we will talk about that some other day.
some other day some other podcast do not
Yeah,
unravel this
yeah, yeah. We'll surely do that.
yeah Acha, so sometimes I feel like of course I feel and it is true that athletes are too energetic they are always refreshing sometimes of course they aren't but yes in most of the cases they are always refreshing
Mhm.
like this with this context in your mind what do you feel people should do in order to feel good and be productive rather because they don't get time to do if they don't get time to do some physical exercise or something else
Yeah, very good question you asked. So I
thank
would
you
like to say, so I would like to say, if you don't have time to exercise, but at least you need, everybody can take out 5 minutes for their life. Okay, I don't say go to hit gym, or go somewhere. You can do your workout at your home only. Just climb some stairs. Just when you just take 2 3 rounds in your garden or in your even in your house, you can just do it. Just stretch a little bit. It's enough for your body, enough for your day. Just it
Okay.
is enough. If you want to just you can, if you don't even have that much time, then I cannot say anything. Or you just, best way is to climb stairs. It really, you can say, motivating energy generate होती है. Can just do some squats. It's very good to do for, जैसे अगर आप जिम नहीं जा सकते या फिर आप बाहर नहीं जा सकते वॉक और जॉग के लिए, it is best to do that.
Okay. And do you think our sleep cycle also affect
Yes,
our body?
very much, very much. Sometimes
How?
you can say it depend. It also depends on the people. ठीक है? Sometimes some people can only have मतलब कि 3-4 घंटे की नींद ली and they're fresh and good to go. But sometimes people like me, it depends upon my day also. I can even I need 8 to 7 hours sleep maximum, but I can go
Same.
with 5 hours. When I used to study, I used to just sleep 5 hours. They were good enough for me. But now, due to lockdown, also my habits has been also changed. I sleep 6 to 7 hours, sometimes 8 hours. It is
Okay.
your, you can say it is just a repairing part of your body. How much you sleep, it repairs your body. Look, your skin cannot be repaired. Your hairs do not grow. Your nails do not grow when you are awake. You need to go in that state of mind where you're doing nothing. Your body is just relaxing. That is very important. So
Right.
even they, yeah, even just one more thing. Even they say if you want to sleep in day, sleep with some time intervals. Like 90 seconds is minimum to sleep, so you recover better.
Okay, for a perfect nap. Right.
Yeah, yes.
Nice. Okay, that's good point. And what is your work regime like? What do you do in a day in order to, stay fit and like practice for your race and all that things?
All right, all right. Yeah, I mostly love to play badminton because it increases stamina so much, right? So if I don't get time to play badminton, at least an hour I'll try to play. If I don't get time to play badminton, I'll try to stretch for 15 minutes minimum, so that I can just keep my body fresh. I can keep my body activated and I don't let my muscles to collapse. Because if you miss gym for 2-3 days, your
Huh.
body will change. Your muscles
So, in
will
a sense,
चेंज इन द सेंस, यू कैन से कि आपकी जैसे आपने मसल वेट गेन किया है वो ड्रॉप होना चेंज होना शुरू हो जाता है. इफ यू लाइक इफ यू हैव मेक योर एब्स और यू कैन से मसल्स आपके हैं, आपने जिम हिट करके बनाए हैं, सो विल
huh.
दे विल गो ऑन, मतलब चले जाते हैं. अगर आप कुछ ऊट पटांग या फिर यू कैन से ऑयली फूड खा लो या फिर इधर उधर का खा लो, वो चले जाते हैं अगर आप वर्कआउट नहीं कर रहे. If you have made them naturally by playing football or by sports, they will not go that easily. So I
Oh,
just, yeah, it matters. So I just do minimum 15 minutes stretching and a little bit of squats and you can say push-ups, so that I can maintain my body. I don't lose the weight I have put on my muscles. I don't hit physical gym, like you can say I don't lift weights because I want my height to increase little bit more. I know it's a myth that by lifting the weight your height stops, but there are some methods that your muscles get pulled up. So I don't
oh.
put physical weight. Yeah, I don't do weightlifting right now, but I just love do stretching and all things.
And like you talked of myth. There is also a myth that after 18 your height stops increasing, particularly for girls.
Yeah, it is a myth. So, according to my experience, I can say that 21 age you can say that your height stops. I have heard for that. You can increase your height by stretching only, and but if you see, if I have an example. So my aunt, who is she was 5'8" something or 5'9" when she went to Canada. She stayed over there for 2 or 3 years. Her height was increased by 1 or 2 inches. It increased. Maybe now she is 5'10" or 5'9". I'm not clear with the numbers, but
Hmm.
in height was increased. So it also depends upon the diet we take and the milk we consume. So there are already vitamins and minerals are added to the milk, but here it is not like that.
Okay. मतलब I should stop. मतलब I should stop consuming tea much.
Oily, yeah, you should stop because it doesn't let your blood to be purified and clean. Try to eat clean and try to stretch. As much as you stretch, your height will increase. I have increased my height from I was 5'5.5". Now I'm 5'6.5". So my 1 inch height increased.
Oh, nice. I'll start doing this now. I am free. I'll do stretching for sure.
Yeah, yeah. Stretching makes your height very much improve. Yeah, you can just we are opening the muscles of our body now, so it will help.
Okay, yeah, right, exactly. And are you like I have heard that you should maintain your diet and stuff. You should eat a balanced diet. You should eat healthy food. Are you too conscious about eating sometimes?
Sometimes you can say yes, sometimes no. Like this week has been whole junk food week because it's New Year, Christmas,
Huh.
now birthdays. Now it has been a young. My family came out from the abroad to India, so it was whole junk week, week. Sorry. Then I did intermittent fasting. Now today I did it, so I'm all right with that. So what do I do? If I try to eat clean, I just love to eat homemade food. That simple food suits me. If I eat something oily or you can say outside food, my digestion is strong, but I feel it gets disturbed. So what do I do? I just eat simple homemade food made by my mom or my cook. It is just simple. So if I eat something from the outside, I skip one meal. If I eat in lunch from the outside, I'll skip my dinner. I'll just have warm milk at the night.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
if you just try to balance your diet by just skipping one or other thing. If you are eating something heavy, just skip something. It will help you a lot.
Yeah. Like I have heard people ki whenever you shift to some other country, particularly abroad, your food consumption cycle gets disturbed because particularly students do not have much time to do cooking and they always eat junk food types things, right?
Hmm. Yes,
So
yes.
is that even healthy to eat? Of course not. That is not healthy. I agree to the point. But like they consume more eggs. They start consuming more eggs, more
Yeah,
chicken, like non-veg thing,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
So
I. Mhm.
does it balances out all the things and all, particularly all the nutrients?
Okay, I'll tell you. So my brother shifted to Canada 4 years ago.
Huh.
Now, okay, he used to eat bread and scrambled eggs in the morning. Uh, he used to eat in India everything, non-veg, okay, like every variety of non-veg. So when he went over there, he started consuming eggs in more quantity. So
Huh.
he came back to India. So he told us that I'm not feeling well. My stomach is not well. So
Yeah.
we said, are you eating something? Are you having some allergy? He said, I don't know. So we made every test possible from the expensive test left. So we did not find any allergy in that.
Oh.
So suddenly doctor said only one egg test is left. Do you have allergy from the egg? He said, might be possible because from 1 2 year I'm just eating the eggs in the breakfast and sometimes in the evening to even to you can say to for the gym diet also and for the because it's easy to make it up, right?
Yeah,
So he
right.
came. So he did not inform his father that I'm having the allergy from egg. So doctor just told him that you are having allergy from the egg. So he did not inform his father that time. So here in India, lockdown was there. I also consumed eggs in the morning breakfast. I love to make my breakfast morning. Okay, so I
Hmm.
used to make it, and I also eat whole summer vacations egg and scrambled eggs and bread. Okay, according to my diet. Okay,
Yeah.
with some other things also. Then I also got the same problem. Then I was suddenly I know that he had a problem about the egg allergy issue. Then I said, "Oh, maybe I could also have." Then we were sitting, all the family were chilling, and I suddenly said, I'm not feeling well. My stomach is not well, and I'm eating egg maybe." Then my brother's father said, "Yes, he can." He said, "It is the possible reason because we have a genetic egg problem. We have allergy from the egg." And we were like shocked. I said, "You never told us." And we all of us have the
Oh
egg
no.
allergy. So, so we were talking about the diet because if they are going out, they are just consuming one kind of thing. They might be get allergies from the things. So the best way is to eat clean food rather than having junk. It's very
Yeah.
difficult to. I can also understand they don't have time to cook for them. They just find out the easy way to cook.
Right.
So, so they should start consuming vegetables. Not just how much time it takes to just boil up the vegetables, put some black pepper and salt, eat that. Have brown bread with peanut butter. That is the healthiest option they can cook now,
Right.
rather
Right.
than having junk.
Cool. Cool. Right. So, matlab, people should also consider their diet as their priority. And also, I've heard many people saying कि dinner मत करो रात का क्योंकि it क्योंकि the
I
digestion process gradually
Yeah,
slow, right?
I I got your point, right? I just say, yeah, people, it's good कि आप I don't say to skip dinner, just have light dinner and have dinner before 4 hours of your sleeping, because you should always, they say, books, even studies say that you should sleep empty stomach. It gives you better sleep, and you are very fresh and energetic when you wake up in the morning.
Okay. राइट दैट इज व्हाई इट इज सेड ना कि तुम लोग 7 बजे या प्रॉपरली कंसिडर कर लो 8 बजे के बाद तुम लोग कुछ मत खाओ
हाँ जी, yeah, it is there. You should
क्योंकि तुम्हारा
not eat.
हाँ तुम्हारा डाइजेशन प्रोसेस उतना नहीं फास्ट होता तो फिर उसके बाद हमने सो जाना होता है एंड तुम लोग रात को तंग होते हो एंड इट लीड्स टू सो मेनी प्रॉब्लम्स
Yeah, that is the most, you can say, main reason why people are fat, because
राइट
they consume more heaviest food in the night and they sleep on. Then the digestion is not in proper, so they are fat.
ओके राइट agreed अच्छा चलो let's talk about some social considering this whole topic let's talk about some social thing that is you have a lean structure okay
Yes.
like you are not so you are conscious about your health but you don't have that particular kind of body which body or something else like you are particularly thin compared to Hana so I have
Yes.
seen
Yes.
like sometimes whenever we are in the canteen or something like that and you just refuse to eat so I don't want to eat yeah I'm not in the mood types है ना तो people usually says तू नहीं मोटी होती ये वो तो तू
Yes. Yes.
या तेरे को बड़ा कोई इफेक्ट पड़ने वाला है तो how do you take all this sometimes it is getting too much of your head right
So
so
I should say that
does it affect
sometimes.
हाँ
Yes.
does it
Yes.
affect
Continue.
you to an extent or like you don't give a shit
So I clearly say that sometimes I'm not eating because I don't want to eat junk, because
yeah
my
right.
body supports only clean diet, so it affects me. ठीक है, so that's why I eat clean. So about the comments, you are saying no. it does not affect me even an inch. Because I am that kind of person that I know what is good for my body. Sometimes I eat for my friends. Yeah, I know. Sometimes I agree to it. Sometimes I do not. Because I think my lean structure is not only because of I eat less. It's because my metabolism, you can say, it's fast.
Right.
So yeah, what do I ever I eat? It doesn't make much effect on my body. So it's not like that. Yeah, I don't eat and people don't give me to eat. I eat, but it's
हाँ,
all about my
नहीं लगता तो
metabolism.
मेरी तो गलती नहीं है. You are like नहीं लगता भाई मेरी गलती थोड़ी है.
So yeah, it's like that kind of thing, and it's just nothing. I don't feel, you can say, bad about people saying to me, but sometimes I'm of a strong nature. You can say it doesn't affect me, but it can affect many people, and they might go in depression or they might feel very depressed about that people say to me. So I'm
हाँ.
not, you can say, very conscious about them, no? So it
Yeah.
can
Right.
affect
Speak.
them. So people should just think wisely before speaking about
Yeah.
these kind of
Exactly.
words.
I am of the view कि nobody you should never seek for approval है ना कि तुम लोग अगर
Yes,
कुछ खाना है
very
खा
true.
लो नहीं खाना मत खाओ. But do not let other person's shitty comments affect you because they are no less than a shit to me. And of course it is just that ki you should have you should value yourself, right? You should have a self esteem in yourself कि it is not good for me, it is not good for me. लोग उसी को लेके बैठ जाते हैं और पता नहीं कहाँ कहाँ से सोचने लग जाते हैं. लोग मेरे पे कमेंट्स कर रहे हैं ये वो and they start wearing things like जैसे अगर कईयों की legs thin है तो they will not wear tight jeans है ना, skin fit jeans. They will start wearing
Hmm.
some loose kind of jeans, for example the paper wall types ये वो है ना. So that affects paper
या
bag
तुम्हें
jeans.
इतना कॉन्फिडेंस होना चाहिए कि तुम्हें किसी की बात इफेक्ट नहीं करनी चाहिए. इतना तुम्हें मतलब होना चाहिए कि हाँ उससे बोल दिया, इट्स ओके, फिर क्या हो गया. तो या इट्स अपॉन यू, हाउ डू यू टेक इट.
Yeah. But sometimes if it happens again and again to you, to you, है ना, so it's better you should tell that particular person, dude, this is this is not right. I'm not liking it. Do not say it again. That's simple. And उसके बाद वो बंदा रुक जाएगा बस.
हाँ जी, yes, yes.
Right.
Go straight away and say, please, I don't like it, please don't do it. I eat, it does not affect my body, so what is wrong in that? And that is not my fault.
Right. Exactly. Nice conversation, by the way. I like it.
Thank you.
You are literally an energetic person. Like बस तेरे मतलब ऐसा होता है ना कि हाँ उस बंदे को थोड़ा सा टाइम दे दो, बंदा बोलने लग जाएगा. कोई भी टॉपिक दे दो फॉर्म में आ जाएगा. जब
I
बंदा
can
फॉर्म में आ गया ना उसके बाद भाई जो मर्जी बुलवा लो इससे बस
yes,
खत्म.
yes, I can go on. Just turn on my switch on, I can speak non-stop.
राइट. अभी तो भाई बहुत सारे टॉपिक्स हैं. रुक लाइक एक तो हमने पहले ही वो कर दिया है, रिवील कर दिया है. बट ओके, there are a lot of topics we will talk about. And
People
she
can even comment if you put on some that what kind of topic they want. They want me to speak.
right. I'll put a question कि and they'll answer on it कि तुम लोगों को कौन सा टॉपिक चाहिए. We'll randomly talk on this. And do comment Sukhman OP as well. He is truly an intellectual person and having great opinions. Great, like very good. I appreciate you.
I like that comments. Thank you.
हाँ तेरे को टैग कर देंगे सब लोग, ठीक है?
नहीं
नहीं वो नहीं करना.
I'm a very private person.
Yeah, she is. She loves her privacy. She just want to be in her own space, which is good. I appreciate it. Okay. So, how is are you seriously happy that college is due to lockdown?
So, if I tell you from my bottom
Please
of my
tell
heart,
me from the bottom of your heart, because I literally want to relate. Because I am literally getting that stuff. यार तू खुश क्यों है कॉलेज बंद हो गए?
look, I want to say that first of all, there was only 2-3 colleges who were open, and the rest are closed, right? So we'll not reveal our college name, right?
Of
So
course.
everybody, my friends, they used to say that how lucky you are, you're going to the college. We are just stuck in the home and we want to go out, but we are not able to. Right? We enjoy college for 2 months at least, I can say.
Yeah.
But from my bottom of my heart, I want to say I am very happy that it is now online. It's
You're
not
my
about,
friend.
yeah,
You're my
it is not
friend.
it is not that we won't I don't want to, I just don't want to give the offline exams. It's not like that. I will give, that is not a problem, but problem is that it's number one, it's too cold. It's very difficult to get up early because I'm a night person, right? Second,
Yeah.
third thing, it's very difficult to get ready and go. I am a PJ person and love to wear unformal clothes, but
Right.
at the home, I
हाँ,
love to
हम लोग
be in
प्रॉपर
comfort.
हम
But
लोग मम्मी सुखमन प्रॉपर अटायर अभी वो जट अटायर में आती है कॉलेज में because she literally wants to enjoy her comfort zone, right? She can
yeah, I come to college in tracksuits, right?
track suit with the shawl on her back.
Yeah, that's tall, right? Kind of that, because I don't want to have cold. Okay? So
Right.
if you meet me na before college, okay? I love formal clothes. Do you understand? Proper formal clothes, proper pants, proper shirts, proper coats, and I am that kind of person. I want to be formal. Like I'm going to an business office meeting attending.
Wow, that's so cool.
So I'm that kind of person. But if you talk to me about casual clothes, then I'm into PJs. I'm not into that in between medium that I'm wearing normal simple clothes. No, I'm a completely different person. In either you will meet me in formals or straight away PJs.
Tracksuits,
Simple.
right? That's good. That's good. That's your personality. I like it. मैं तो खुद ही कहनी हूँ. I used to say this कि you look good in that particular jut attire.
Yeah, I just even I go to malls and everywhere I'm just like simple going, or either I'm dressed completely or either I'm simple. Nobody says anything. Even my family support me. They say, "What do you love? Do that. Do not care about anyone. What do they say?" But there is some limit lines that you need not to cross. That I know my limits that are being taught to my family. I'm grateful and thank you for that values they have given me. But what I want to wear, I will wear. Go whatever you want to say. I don't care.
Right. Whatever you want to say, just go on. It hardly affects me. Right. Exactly. And this should be the mentality of people. You get easily frustrated, easily like एक होता है ना हिट कर जाता है, वो बहुत easy hit होता है, तो वो नहीं होना चाहिए. I agree to that.
Exactly. Very nice.
Right. And let's wrap up this conversation here, or you want to add something else?
Yeah, wrap up. Now it's late.
भाई अब कर दो, बहुत लेट हो चुका है. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm thankful to you to come as you became my guest for today. Thank you so much. Looking forward to have great conversations with you. And let me sign off now. Bye, Sukh. Take care.
Bye. Thank you for having me on.
It's my pleasure. Thank you.
And bye.
हाँ बोलो.
नहीं, मैं कह रही हूँ tune in for more episodes.
Tune in for more episodes. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you so much.